Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 by Matchbox, and I bought this model from a toy store, and this model feels really very premium and is also really well detailed in terms of exterior and interior, and also has rubber tires on it. So yes, this model was really worth buying. And if you have yet not followed me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. And let's get started with the video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye, take care.